Fantom's massive breakout continues to be on fire in a move that has now managed to break above resistance above the 0.3931, flipping it back into support. We are also holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is also acting as support in a move that has also continued to obey the Elliott structures. And on today's video, I will be discussing my breakout target areas, significant key areas of supports that you need to continue holding. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And for those of you that might be interested in taking a trade on Fantom, you can check out BINANCE, where you can claim up to 5,000 USDT in rewards and also claim up to that USDT in sign-up rewards, and I will be leaving a link down in the description box. Getting back to the charts, you can see that on the 5th of August, we saw a massive breakdown move in a move that gave us a low below the 0.2581. Then we continued to obey the Elliott structures, where we first picked in these Elliott count 1. Then we started a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of these Elliott count 2, in a move that almost fully maximized the minimum target areas highlighted here on the charts using this red target area. And once we had a low in place for the second wave, we continued to see higher prices in the formation of these larger Elliott count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliott count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.40884, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we now have a high in place in the formation of these Elliott count 3. And in the next coming hours, there are chances that we can start a pullback in these Elliott count 4. Once we have a low in place in the formation of that Elliott count 4, then we can continue gearing up even higher in that Elliott count 5. And if that is the case, then using the Fibonacci's, I can be able to give you the minimum pullback target areas for the fourth wave by connecting the fibs from the low of the second wave to the high of that Elliott count 3, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.382, which perfectly lies between the 0.3634 and the 0.3495, which is the area that I have highlighted here on the charts. So there are high chances that in the next coming hours, in case we continue seeing a bit of a pullback over here, lose support at the 0.3931, flipping it back into resistance, and maybe at some point we lose the 20-day MA, we can easily see a breakdown move into this target area, get a low in place in that Elliott count 4, then get another massive bounce to the upside in the formation of these Elliott count 5. So that is the price action that I'm expecting on the short term here on the Fantom chart. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you on the next one.